the properties of the signal. That means I have already told you what are the properties of your periodic signal. That is your amplitude, phase, and frequency. So when we will do something in case of your amplitude, that is your amplitude modulation, then frequency modulation, then your phase modulation. So here we will have two signal. One is your analog signal, second is your carrier frequency. Carrier signal will be there. Oh, let me see in case of your amplitude modulation, the modulating signal is there. Okay, this is the screen visible achi to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the amplitude modulation, there is a modulating signal, and then there is a carrier frequency. Then the output is your modulated signal. Output is your modulated signal. देखो नॉर्मली कौन हुए जेतेबेले आमे रेडियो स्टेशन जानिଛ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଳ୍ପ ଫ୍ରିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସି ର ଜିନିଷ को पठेଇ थांती मनका लेट्स से द इन केस ऑफ योर मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल the in case of your modulating signal the amplitude is 0.5. okay, but माने total station को 0.5 रो माने signal जीवाटा it is impossible. So what actually we do the modulation किसी modulate करिया हमें properties को किसी modulate करिवा. That means तमरो another आमे तब कौन करिवा गुडी frequency सहित add कर देबा. ठीक अछि, addition कर देबा. addition करिकि ताको signal रे ताको हमें transmission media रे पठेबा. हमें addition कौन पे why we are adding that हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ भी मो वॉइस सुना तो कनेक्ट ही नथिला.
No, ma'am. 2 minutes सुबु नथला.
हाँ हमारे से कनेक्टिंग देखौतला माने ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट. So let's see here the modulating signal is there. Okay, so let's say the modulating signal have the amplitude 0.5. So with carrying the amplitude is 0.5, it can't move throughout the distance. So what we will do actually, we will merge it to a carrier frequency where the amplitude will be high. That means you can take it that the amplitude of your carrier frequency is 1. So when we are combining so when you are merging that carrier frequency with that modulating signal, okay, the frequency will be merged. That means the modulating signal is having the frequency is 0.5 and the carrier frequency will have the frequency is their amplitude is 1. So the resulting modulated signal will have the amplitude is 1.5. So it can it has addition the property that is your amplitude has been increased, so it can travel for the longer distance. Getting? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Modulating signal कोन माने total amplitude modulation कोन बुझियला?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. Modulating signal लो amplitude 0.5 थिबो. Carrier frequency signal लो there will be another carrier frequency signal तो तारो amplitude 1 थिबो. ठीक अछि. So जेतेबेले मु output ta bahar karibi modulated signal, in that case the amplitude will be merged, that is 0.5 plus 1, that will be 1.5. the amplitude will be increased so that it can travel for longer distance. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, the parameter will change in case of your frequency modulation. Frequency will be kept constant, and the keeping pattern frequency will be varied, keeping amplitude and phase constant. In case of phase modulation, okay, in case of phase modulation, your amplitude and frequency will be kept constant, and the phase of the signal will be varied. Okay, so see here the amplitude modulation. You can see that the process of changing amplitude of high frequency carrier wave in accordance with the intensity of the signal is called amplitude modulation. Amplitude of carrier wave, that is amplitude of signal, is being modulated. This is the diagram. You can draw this diagram. In data obviously crystal clear achi. This is your modulating signal, this is your carrier frequency, and when we are merging this, then this is the modulated signal. The amplitude has been varied. This is accordance with your modulating signal. Shape will be your modulating signal, kintu amplitude ta ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ହେଇଯିବ. Getting or not? Then why you need multiplier? देखो एथिरे in case of your amplitude modulation in digital electronics, you have already studied about multiplier. Yes or no? Multiplier पढ़िଛ तो?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Multiplier
No, ma'am.
पढ़िନ? multiplier कौन करिवो? In case of multiplier, से दीटा एनालॉग इनपुट को नबो, ठीक अछि, and the output will be your product of the two input. Okay, and the product obviously why it is multiplier, because it is multiplying two input, and the whatever multiplication will come, that will be obviously the higher one. So the for example that is your microphone, ठीक अछि, microphone जेतेबेले हम कथा होजो से multiply है कि voice टा बहुत जोर से सुना होछि कि नहीं? ଆମେ ଧୀରେ
Yes, ma'am.
କହିବାକୁ it will act as a multiplier. ତମର ଛୋଟ କଥାକୁ ସେମାନେ multiply କରିକି ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ବଡ ବାଲା ଇଏ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି. ମାନେ simple meaning, ତୁମେ ତ literal meaning ବୁଝିବ then ବୁଝିପାରିବ ହେଲା. Multiply means obviously କିଛି ହେଲା ଜିନିଷକୁ increase ହେଲା ହବ. Then multiply ରେ କଣ ଥିବ, ଏଥିରେ କଣ ହଉଛି ତମର multiplier use ହଉଛି ତମର ଏଥିରେ. This is your modulating signal, this is your carrier frequency, there is one multiplier, then resulting signal will be a modulated signal, and the frequency and the amplitude will be high. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So in case of your amplitude modulation, the signal frequency, if the modulating signal frequency increase habo, then the amplitude of carrier changes at a great rate. देखो bandwidth of amplitude modulation will be 2 times of your 2 times of bandwidth. माने तमरो modulating signal तमरो माने तमरो कोन कहलो फर्स्ट जो थिला जो सिग्नल टा तमरो कोन modulating signal. देखो this is your modulating signal, this is your modulated signal. Modulating means जोटा तमरो modulate हबो, ठीक अछि, then increase तमरो addition with carrier frequency, it will be your modulated. You have to remember the name modulating, this is your modulated. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is all about your तमरो कोन एथिरे कोन advantage है, it is simple to implement and demodulated using the credit. देखो sender will send using your modulated signal, and at the receiver side there is your demodulator. ठीक अछि, जोटा कि तमरा demodulate करिवो, जेमति कि हम कहितली in previous class रे encryptor encryption decryption हबो. sender will send it by your encryption using the encryption model, and the receiver will first decode it, then you will that receiver will get the original message. Yes or no? So in case of your sender side, modulator thiba. In case of your receiver side, demodulator. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So the this is your in case of your communication paper, एटा गोटे मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला अछि हला. डिटेल्स तमे सेठी पढिबो. तमे एथि खाली जस्ट तमे को जानिबार अछि कि कोन टर्म अछि, कोन ए अछि. माने तमे मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला गुडा को तमे कम्युनिकेशन पेपर रे तमरो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स माने मैडम कि जे भी हले पढे. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then your frequency modulation. Frequency, in case of your frequency modulation, what will happen? In case of frequency modulation, you have to change the the frequency, keeping your amplitude and phase constant. So in case of frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier signal is modified to reflect the change in voltage level of modulating signal. ठीक अछि. In case of frequency modulation, then in case of our phase modulation, the phase will be changed. ठीक अछि. तो तार गोटे डायग्राम अछि. मु एथरे तमरो इंक वाला ऑप्शन आसुनी. मु तुमको पीपीटी स्लाइड रे सब दे देबी. Just you have to remember कि amplitude modulation amplitude change हुए. In case of frequency modulation frequency change होगा. In case of phase modulation phase change. Getting?
Yes.
Then next we will move to your transmission media. ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया सिलेबस देखिछ कि नहीं रे?
Yes, ma'am.
तो सिलेबस रे कोन थिला फर्स्ट?
Guided or unguided?
हाँ, ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया रे गाइडेड एंड अनगाइडेड मीडिया अछि. तो कन्वर्सन थिला. Conversion of आमे सब conversation we have already studied. The digital to analog, analog to digital, digital analog to digital, then digital to analog, digital to digital, digital to analog to analog. ठीक अछि. So now we will study the transmission media. The transmission media. So what are the types and what are the methods are there? Actually एथरे किछि methods नै. This is all about your theory part. तमरो माने प्रॉब्लम वाला पार्ट यूनिट 3 रे अछि. So slowly we will cover the transmission media. So why transmission what is a transmission media? So in case of your communication, transmission media means that this is a pathway that will carry the information from sender to receiver. देखो, this is your sender, this is your sender, this is your receiver, this is your receiver, and the information will go through a media. So this is your transmission media. Getting? This is your transmission media. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens in your transmission media? Transmission media is the pathway that will carry the information from sender to receiver. So we can use different types of cables. देखो, cables in case of guided media, and in case of unguided media, that there is a wave. Wave means gotela wireless, aurela wired. So you can say wireless is your tamara Wi-Fi जो use करते, that is your wireless medium. And in case of your guided media, you can say that there you are using some cable you are using some तमरो different LAN connection आछी, fiber optical connection आछी. So that is your types of cable are there. ठीक है. So data is transmitted normally through electrical and electromagnetic signal. Okay. So what do you mean by your transmission media? Transmission media is the pathway where sender is sending some data and receiver will receive that. So the pathway is called your transmission media. So we can use different types of cables and cables or wave or your wave signal, that is your electromagnetic signal, to transmit data. So data is transmitted normally through electrical or your electromagnetic signal. Okay. So so there are two types of media. They are guided means your wired medium, and in case of your unguided, that is your wireless medium. And the characteristics and the quality is determined by the medium or signal. So guided in for guided media, the medium is very important. From what is the medium, through who is the medium you are sending the signal. There are so many types of medium we will study later. Then in case of unguided media, the bandwidth is important. The bandwidth जोटा कि तमरो antenna produce करे. So here the key concern con data rate or distance. So there are two types of medium: guided medium, unguided medium. So guided means wired medium, unguided means wireless medium. So quality and तमरो characteristics determine करिबो by the medium and the signal. So for the guided medium is very important. What are the mediums through who you are sending the data? And for the unguided medium, the bandwidth is very important. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you can see bandwidth. Bandwidth means your higher bandwidth will definitely give the higher data rate. Yes or no? Higher bandwidth will give higher data rate. Then transmission impairments, already I have told you, attenuation, distortion, noise ମୁଁ ତମକୁ already class ମାନେ previous class ରେ କହି ଦେଇଛି. Then number of receiver. Then the number of receiver is also important. In case of guided media, see, I'm telling you. Let's say here sender is sending some data, and in the receiver side, if it is multi-point receiver, receiver is more than one receiver. So obviously the attenuation will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, in case of sender and in case of single receiver, or whatever sender will send the message, receiver will receive that. Okay, there is one receiver, so there will not be any attenuation at the end of the receiver side. But if sender is sending some data and there are multi-point receiver, there are multiple number of receiver are there, then obviously the attenuation will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we will design the transmission medium, we have to keep in our mind that the bandwidth will be high in order to provide the higher data rate. Then we have to keep in our mind that what is the how many receiver are there. That is in case of your guided medium. Because in case of your unguided, obviously multiple number of receiver will be there. Kintu in case of guided media, you have to keep it in your mind that more if you are doing multi-point receiver, then it will lead to the attenuation, more attenuation. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, jane buझुଛ.
Ma'am, unguided रे हबनी.
कौन?
Ma'am, unguided रे हबनी.
कौन टा हबनी?
Attenuation. जदि multi receiver थिबे.
हाँ हब ना. अरे देखो एथिरे कोन जेतेबेले तुम किछि ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम माने तुम डिजाइन करिवो, ठीक अछि. there are guided ki unguided. These are the factors you have to keep it in your mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so देखो so देखो sender side रे sender and receiver. So sender is sending data in your physical layer, then receiver will receive that, and this is the transmission. This is the transmission medium. This is the transmission medium. Maybe your cable or air. बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by transmission medium?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
transmission medium are located below the physical layer. The computers use signals to represent data. Signals are transmitted in form of your electromagnetic energy. So this is your sender, this is your receiver. The transmission medium is located here below the physical layer, and that transmission medium can be your cable or air. Okay, so the signals are transmitted using your in form of your electromagnetic energy. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then your transmission medium. तुमरे blank screen है हाँ. I will provide you the slide. मेरा total complete करके मैं by today itself मैं तुमको slide पठा दूँगी है ना. खाली concept है book. So this is your transmission medium. Transmission medium is divided into two types. Guided, that is your wired medium, and unguided, wireless.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଭୟ ଶୁଭା ଯାଉନି।
ଶୁଭା ଯାଉନି?
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏବେ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Okay. Then again your screen visible ଅଛି ତ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then again you can divide your guided media as your two-state pair cable. ठीक ଅଛି. Then second is your coaxial cable. Then third is your optical fiber. And in case of unguided media, you are using free space. So you can broadly classify transmission media into two categories. First is the guided media, media, that is your wired medium, and second is your unguided, that is your wireless. Again you can categorize the guided medium into your three parts: two-state pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. Again, two-state pair cable is divided into two types: UTP and STP. ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ମାନେ କହିବି what do you mean by UTP and STP. So this is the whole classification. Getting or not? Two-state
Yes,
pair,
ma'am.
coaxial,
Yes, ma'am.
optical fiber. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, so what do you mean by your in case of two-state pair, again it is divided into two types, that is your unshielded two-state pair cable and shielded two-state pair cable. ठीक अछि. So what do you mean by guided media? In case of your guided media, one device will communicate with another device, which will include the twisted pair cable path or a coaxial cable or fiber optical cable. तो in case of guided media तमरे तीनटा जाका process use हुए. Then so in case of two state pair cable, तो तमरे एटा को two state काहे कोन देखो ता डायग्राम टा ही सेमती का two state को हजो. So this is your two-state pair cable. This is your two-state pair cable. ठीक अच्छे. So two-state pair cable consists of two conductor. This is your conductor 1. This is your conductor 2. ठीक अच्छे. So basically it is copper based. Basically this is copper based and with plastic insulation two state together. ठीक अछि. एथिरे प्लास्टिक इन्सुलेशन थिबो माने इन्सुलेशन जेमति कि हमर नॉर्मली हमर एथिरे यूज होय नै तमे देखि देतो नेटवर्क केबल सुडा को देखिछो एथिरे तमर जो थाए तमर कोन कहलो कॉपर वायर यूज होइथिबो देन ता ऊपर जो प्लास्टिक रो कवर थिबो देखिछो कि नै तार फर
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So why it is two state pair? Because two pair of conductors are two state. That's why it is two state pair cable. बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
तुमको एथिरे भी मु लेखिची हां देखो. This is the transmission medium रे तमरे ये. Then transmission media रे this is the classification. Then two state pair cable एमतिया देखा जाए. ठीक अछि. So देखिलो तो.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what are the application? What are the application of two state pair cable? So most common medium. They definitely normally we are using this cable in case of a telephone line. ठीक अछि. So between house and local exchange. So माने तमे देखिबो कि तमर जो टेलीफोन नेटवर्क गुडा का आस्थिबो तो से गुडा कत टू स्टेट पेयर केबल यूज करंदी. देन तमरो विदिन बिल्डिंग्स माने गोटे टोटल बड़ बिल्डिंग ता जते बेले हमरो कम्युनिकेट हबा को थाए माने वी कैन टेक का एग्जांपल ऑफ रेवेन्सा माने तमर सेथिरे माने डिफरेंट बिल्डिंग को जते कम्युनिकेट करिया थिबो हला ठीक अछि से माने टू स्टेट पेयर केबल भितरे जो माने नॉर्मली हमें लैंड टा खोली के जो केबल दो ना ठीक अछि. There is a two state pair. Then again the speed is your 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps. That is your for local area network. So these are the application. Normally the common method of transmission is your two state pair cable. Then second is your heavily used in case of telephone network. Then the speed is your for local area network the speed is your 10 to 100 Mbps. So what are the advantage and what are the disadvantage? The advantage is your it is very cheap, easy to work, and disadvantage is data rate बहुत low and short range ପାଇଁ ठीक ଅଛି. means तमरा कौन कहलो केबल टाको आमे बहुत शॉर्ट रेंज पे यूज करबा एटा वाइड रेंज पे यूज हे परिबो नहीं ठीक अछि. Then again coming to your two state pair cable that is divided into two parts shielded and unshielded UTP STP. Then this is your shielded two state pair. So here there is a plastic cover and easy to install ठीक अछि. So around obviously it will take the shape of like two state pair है like दीटा जाक मिसी के थिबे. Then तमरो unshielded wires wound around each other. तो एथरे गोटे plastic cover. This is the plastic cover and this is the real example of your unshielded two state pair cable. Then what are the application telephone lines? Then line तमर speed ता केते 10 to 100 Mbps. You have to memorize the speed, the data rate you have to remember. Okay. Then this is the two state pair cable unshielded. This is shielded. In case of shielded, there is a one metal shield is there. This is the only difference. The metal shield. This is shielded. This is unshielded. Okay. अरे वो बुझছো कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम खाली मेटल शील्ड ही रही पारियो. मैम खाली मेटल शील्ड ही रही पारियो.
हाँ मेटल ही दबा कौन दबो?
प्लास्टिक.
plastic
Okay,
plastic
other
cover
metal.
अरे listen metal shield टा कौन करा देखा in case of shield and unshielded रे only गोटे what is different that is your metal shield किसी भी देबो plastic yes you can use किंतु इतरे plastic cover अछि ना plastic
Okay.
cover अछि इतरे खाली metal shield ही use हे परिबो किछि भी metal
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
अछि then your UTP connectors RJ45 you have just माने तमे सुनिथिबो ए नेम टा RJ45
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
this is your RJ45 male the diagram is like this and the RJ45 female ठीक अछि UTP connectors तमरो लैपटॉप रे लैन कनेक्शन ଗୋଟେ सिंबल ना थाई त तमे किछि किछि केबे यूज करछो कि नहीं लैन कनेक्शन यूज करी कि लैपटॉप
Yes,
रे
ma'am.
से जो एटा दैट इज योर RJ45 फीमेल बुझियला
Ma'am, जो
यूटीपी
Ethernet port
कनेक्टर्स
टा.
इथरनेट पोर्ट बुझियला
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is your UTP connectors then what are the characteristics the two-state pair transmission characteristics are your analog tomorrow amplify every 5 to 6 kilometer amplify means listen amplify means let's say the signal will transmit from 0 to 5 kilometer then after traveling from 0 to 5 kilometer the signal strength will be reduced the signal strength will be reduced so it will amplify from every 5 to 6 kilometer that means pause ଗୋଟେ signal ଟେ ଯୋଉ ଆସିବ first 5 ରୁ 0 ରୁ 5 କିଲୋମିଟର ଆସିଲା ପରେ ତାର amplitude ଟିକେ less ହେଇଯିବ କାହିଁକି ନା less susceptible to noise ମାନେ noise ସହିତ ମିଶିକି amplify ମାନେ କଣ କହିଲ ତମର ତାର signal ତାର strength reduce ହେଇଯିବ then ये कौन करे two state pair cable कौन करबो ये every 5 to 6 किलोमीटर ये सेही सेम माने तमरो सिग्नल टाको amplify करदबो then you can use either digital or analog signal repeater तमर previous नहीं तमरो सर पढिथिले what are the different types of your connectors जोड़ा थिबो in the network devices in that you have studied repeaters पढिছো कि नहीं
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
so what repeater will do repeater will send repeat the signal the name is itself is repeater so the repeater will repeat that signal so every 2 kilometer the repeater will repeat the signal the limited bandwidth 1 megahertz data rate etiki you have to remember this bandwidth and data rate and susceptible to inference and noise ठीक अछि you have in the characteristics you have to remember what is the bandwidth what is the data rate and तमरो माने you have to remember the amplifier range केते पर्यंत से जाय travel कर परिबो ठीक अछि these are the points you have to memorize then your transmission two state pair transmission characteristics what are the advantage हाँ एथरे गोटे diagram अछि ए देखो एटा देखिछो तो
Ma'am, कोटा
हेलो
screen को आसिनी. हाँ ये डाले.
आसिनी
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
आसिला.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
अब
yes,
बुझियला
ma'am.
UTP
ma'am.
so affordable most compatible हला major networking system सबु networking system रे तमरा ए UTP टा normally use हुए ठीक अछि then disadvantage तमरा noise को बहुत माने prone to noise ठीक अछि हम normally देखो हम we have to माने normally browse हम normally हम laptop रे कि एरे तो day to day life use रे हम खाली just data माने कोन कहले तमे browse करछु information collect करछु किंतु तरे when data is very माने secure माने बहुत financial data in case of your बैंकिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ठीक अछि बैंक्स मान करे जेतरे माने तमर स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑफिस मान करे माने तमर एनओएस तमर कोन कोन नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक ऑफिस जति के सब गवर्नमेंट रो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन माने सिक्योर्ड वाला माने एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट को छाड़ी के ठीक अछि जथरे कि डेटा टा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट लाइक तमर जो नेशनल इंफॉर्मेटिक्स सेंटर जो डेटा यूज हुए ठीक अछि तो सेथिरे माने से माने ए केबल आ ए जिंस यूज करन दे ऑप्ट फॉर द फाइबर ऑप्टिकल केबल बिकॉज noise is very less in case of fiber optical okay so these are the types normal day to day life re we can use here like your UDP or two-state pair cable we can use that but less more susceptible to noise in case of UDP so your तमरो STP रे कौन हुए shielded two-state pair cable ले this is the plastic cover metal sheet and it is the structure is like the two-state pair one so it is very thick and heavy and from here the shield is metal shield is used to reduce the inference in case of two-state on UTP रे there is not no metal sheet but in case of your STP there is one difference is a metal sheet that reduces the inference but which is the noise is less in compared to UTP the noise is less in case of a STP ठीक अछि so the application is you can use the token ring network you have already studied the topology of network they are ring topology mesh topology and Bose topology you have already studied so it STP is used in case of your ring network higher transmission rate over long distances okay
Yes, ma'am.
then coaxial cable these are the advantage faster than UTP more expensive obviously faster hela mane expensive hi hobo yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
এই টাইপরে जो STP जो ইমেজ টা ডিসপ্লে হচ্ছে সেটা দেখিছ এই যে মেটালটা ইউজ হউনি এটা দিস ওয়ান রো তুমি কହୁଛି এইটাকু দিস ইজ এইটাকু তମ মেটাল সিলটা ମାନେ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଥିବ ଏଟାକୁ ହିଁ କୁହନ୍ତି ଏଟାକୁ କି କୁହନ୍ତି ତମର metal shield then coaxial cable there carries signal of higher frequency range and then two-state pair obviously two-state pair cable tomorrow lower frequency range in case of coaxial cable higher frequency range then one plastic cover is there this is the insulator this is the insulator and this is your outer conductor shield this is your inner conductor shield so obviously the noise को reduce करिवो it will reduce the noise okay and the carries the coaxial cable it operate in higher frequency it can carry the signal of higher frequency range but in case of twisted pair cable tomorrow signal range टा कम आसीबो but in case of coaxial cable it will carry the signal of higher frequency range then twisted pair cable then inner conductor is your solid wire inner conductor is your solid wire and outer conductor is shield against the noise तमर जेमति का STP रे देखिला गोटे metal conductor थिला in case of your coaxial cable also one shield is there it will act against noise and second is your conductor the first one is will be used as your it will act it will reduce the noise part and it will act as your conductor part so there are this is the diagram of your coaxial cable ठीक है you can see there this is the broader view of your this is your outer shield this is your outer conductor insulation point inner conductor बुझिला
Yes, ma'am.
Then the type categories are there. These are the categories of coaxial cable. RG etc. कौन थिला RG? This is your RG. RG 14 59 58 and 11. These are the implication where it is used. No need to memorize the impedance. Just remember what are the category and where it is used. ठीक है. So radio government RG. Then there RJ. This is RG. These are the standards, IEEE standards. Then coaxial cable connectors. So here we use BNC connectors. So just remember BNC T connector used for Ethernet network and BNC terminator used at the end of the cable. Just remember what are the connectors. First is your BNC T connector, BNC terminator, and BNC connector. Just memorize the name. No need to remember all these things. Just what are the connectors you have to remember, memorize. କିନ୍ତୁ ତମର ଯୋଉ 1 mark question ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ ତମର ଏଟା ମେ ବି ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିପାରେ ନହେଲେ ଏଥିରେ ଏତେ ମାନେ ଜିନିଷ ନାହିଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ in case of your exam point of view we have to remember what are the categories, what are the data rate, ତମର ଇଏ rate କେତେ, what is the noise level, what is the level is there and it is less prone to noise or ମାନେ କେତେ speed କେତିକି ଅଛି, these points you have to remember. ଠିକ ଅଛି. Then what are the application of coaxial cable? Obviously television distribution re television distribution. Then long distance means short distance, here it is long distance and tamaro local area network re use kari hebo. Short distance computer system links. Short distance computer system links means तमरो गोटे डिपार्टमेंट रे मनकर पहला फर्स्ट तळ फ्लोर ऊपर फ्लोर देन मनकर देयर आर 3 फ्लोर्स देन that connectors that computers are to be connected, there you can use coaxial cable. Then these are the advantage and these are the disadvantage you can study. किसी तरह ये करियर नहीं. Transmission you have to remember the transmission characteristics. So amplify for every few seconds. Then this is up to 500 megahertz in case of twisted pair cable. It 100 megahertz punde thila. Then digital repeater for every 1 kilometer, there repeater every 2 to 3 kilometer closer to higher data rate. Lower data rate thila. You have to remember the transmission characteristics. Then fiber optic cable ta मैं next class रे पढ़ूँ. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Next class रे हमें fiber optical cable टा पढ़िबा. Then we will move to the unguided medium. We will move to the unguided medium and then we will go to the after transmission medium. What is there? syllabus रे कौन अछि रे transmission medium परे?
मैम switching techniques.
अच्छा स्विचिंग. से जो सर्किट स्विचिंग एंड पैकेट स्विचिंग डेटा लिंक लेयर कांसेप्ट. ठीक अछि. हमें नेक्स्ट क्लास रे तमरो 15 to 15 मिनिट्स भितर तमरो अनगाइडेड मीडियम सर जीवो. सेतरे तमरो इंफ्रारेड, रेडियो वेव, अल्ट्रा वेव सेटा सब अछि. जेंति के हमरो तमे पढिथिबे एटा माने वायरलेस रे तमरो जो रेडियो वेव, माइक्रोवेव और इंफ्रारेड वेव पढिछ कि नहीं? फिजिक्स रे पढना थिबो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो सेथिरे हम से जिंस गुडा पढ़िबा. just 15 मिनिट रे सर जीवो. then we will move to your switching mechanism, packet switch, circuit switch. then we will move to the third unit. Okay.